This video will guide you through the process of replacing the evaporative emissions (EVAP) canister purge control valve on a 2013 Ford Edge. The EVAP canister purge control valve is located in the engine compartment, near the intake manifold. Begin by removing the EVAP canister purge control valve. If the engine has been running, let it cool sufficiently before starting work to avoid burns from hot parts. And always wear personal protective equipment, including rubber gloves and safety goggles, when working on a vehicle. 1. Avoid smoking or open flames, and keep personal electronic devices away from fuel-related components, to prevent fires and serious injuries. 2. Disconnect the negative battery cable at the battery. 3. Disconnect the evaporative emission canister purge valve electrical connector. 4. Disconnect the vapor tube to EVAP canister purge valve quick connect coupling. 5. Remove the bolts and the canister purge valve. Remove and discard the O-ring seal. Finish by installing the new EVAP canister purge control valve. Install a new O-ring seal on the purge control valve. 1. Install the canister purge control valve. Use a torque impact wrench to tighten the bolt to 10 Nm to ensure proper functionality. 2. Connect the vapor tube to EVAP canister purge valve quick connect coupling. 3. Connect the evaporative emission canister purge valve electrical connector. 4. Reconnect the battery ground cable. This concludes the procedure for replacing the evaporative emissions canister purge control valve on a 2013 Ford Edge. Thank you for watching.